Teclast X4 is a cost-effective tablet plus laptop 2-in-1 design. It's more convenient to use. Equipped with a 11.6-inch 10-point-IPS touch display, Windows 10 Home OS ensures you more wonderful user experience. Teclast X4 powered by Intel Celeron N4100 Quad core processor offers you smooth operation and stable multitasking experience. Rear-facing plus front dual camera for capturing memorable moments and high-quality pictures in daily life. Teclast X4 dual-band 2.4 GHz 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi supported. Ensures you high-speed surfing 3.7V 26,600 mAh battery can meet the current, power and the temperature and increase the performance dynamically.